So I'm in the garage at home here and I've created a little storage room just inside it, and I want to give it a facelift, and part of that facelift is giving it a paint. Now the previous owners here got pretty creative with their artwork on the wall here with this lightning bolt. It reminds me a little bit of AC/DC, and look, you know what, I might be covering up some special artwork here, but you know, beauty is in the eye of the beholder. What I'll be doing is giving this a paint through. Now first I'm going to get my mask on and give it a good brush down. Right, now that I've cleaned this wall of clean down and I'm about to mask up, what I'm using here is a Scotch Blue pre-tape masking film. Now what this is going to do is to make sure that I'm not going to get paint on the areas that I don't want paint going on, and that'll be this wall here and the floor. Now it's really easy to apply because you've got your Scotch Blue tape and your film all connected in one. All right, now it's time to start our painting. So I've given it a good stir and I'm just going to pour some paint into the spray gun bottle here. Now a really good tip is making sure you use a sieve. This little kit comes with its own sieve that just locks in there. And what the sieve actually does is it takes out the big particles so that it doesn't clog the nozzle in the gun. So we can now just give that a tip in there. All right, so that's pretty much drained through now. We can take this out and we're ready to start spraying. All right, now that's preparation almost done. The most important part of any preparation is making sure that you're doing things safely. So what we're going for here is a quick latch respirator. Now these are really great for any multi-purpose job where you've got airborne particles. Also, I'll be putting on some specs and I'm using clear ones because I'm working inside. And finally, just some earmuffs because these things get a little bit noisy when you're using them all day long. Well, the old artwork's gone now. We've got a beautiful white wall instead. All that's left to do now, peel off my mask, and I can keep moving along. Look at that, pre-tape film, made it nice and easy. What a finish, beautiful.